Alright, so right now I am boiling water for my shower. Shower water goes into this makeshift shower bladder, currently made up of a 5-gallon camp shower, resting inside of a older milk crate, but as close to a actual shower head as I've ever gotten into here. Before I was using this smaller camp shower bag that's, I want to say, probably 2.5 gallons. All I know is, with something like this, I was only able to take probably a 2 to 5 minute shower. 2 minutes if I had this completely full, and 5 minutes if I just stopped the flow in between lathering myself up and actually rinsing myself off. Over here we have the big old shower built last summer. Or I want to say last early spring and late winter. I just eventually got tired of waiting at the laundromat for 2 hours straight, waiting for a shower because they really slowed things up over there due to COVID. Everything is captured inside this little tub down here. That's actually the most expensive part of this whole thing, because that's actually a livestock trough used for feeding pigs. This also doubles as my indoor clothing line / drying rack. There's my laundry for the week. You have to forgive the mess. I really wasn't planning on making a video for this tonight. In the summertime, I usually hang up all my clothing on the clothing line out there, but right now I think it's about 3 above zero outside. That's actually the warmest we probably had it all week. Got my entertainment center here, my VR headset, multiple copies of the same exact headphones because these headphones are cheap to come by now online nowadays. I got my last headset for $50, and it came exactly like this in the mail. Normally I would have two, but the first one kind of got fuckered right there. There's my old PC, still running Windows 7. I've been meaning to upgrade it from the i5 in there to probably a Ryzen 5, but really couldn't really justify doing so. I like to keep it around as a Windows 7 machine, because a lot of the older games I play, like RuneScape, Star Wars, Knights of the Old Republic, and SWAT 4 really don't like running on Windows 10 right over there. So I like to keep that around because, well, I really don't want to let go of any of the parts in there. I don't know. It's sort of weird. I feel like I have some sentimental value set to that thing, despite it being a POS. Words are hard. There's where I would usually go to eat food, but this is my project table. Last time I was trying to figure out how to set up this Vivitar camera, but turns out this thing is a piece of shit. It bricked itself right out of the box, and I already cut open the packaging so I couldn't return it to Walmart. Figured I might as well keep all the camera accessories that came with it. Trying to tell myself that I spent $44 on camera accessories instead of a camera. I think the lie is starting to work for myself. I'm not quite too sure. There's my 4,000 watt inverter. Almost said 2,000, but last time... No, I think my last inverter was a 2,000 watt peak. Because this is a 2,000 watt constant and a 4,000 watt peak. If the power ever goes out, I can just switch it on. And I'll still have 120 volt power going to Not my PC. I don't find that really essential in the wintertime. What I do find essential is my heater over here. It runs off of heating fuel or diesel. If we go back over here, I just got this replaced earlier last year because I guess the heating element or the preheater on my last one just went to poo. I just remember one day after jump seating, I came home to a cold cabin. I'm just glad that I caught it when it was like 50 degrees, and when it was not like the same temperature as it was outside. Got myself a 200-gallon Greer heating fuel tank over there. Probably burns through 100 gallons a winter, I want to say. Speaking of which, shoot, I really can't see back there. Probably a good idea to... Oh shoot, that's already somewhat low. I might have to get some more heating fuel sometime soon. Because that is... Well, there's still something in there. I'll probably start getting... Oh shoot, I just got snow on my boots. That's fun. Hopefully I didn't lock myself out again. I'm gonna have to start getting heating fuel again. Probably grab myself another 5 gallons tomorrow, just to be safe. There's not really much else I can show you about this place. I guess I can show you the upstairsy bit. Why not? Because all my friends have only seen photos of this place. Really? There is no light up here. So the solution is... it's just to add a light switch over here. Oh my god, that thing is dusty. That thing hasn't seen motion in months. Anyway, this is my bed. Forgive the mess. Queen size. Now right over here is my old sleeping pad. It's literally just a memory foam cushion inside of a sleeping bag. Oh, forgive me, got a little bit... Oh god, that pizza's not sitting well. Where was I? Oh yes. This was just something that I was sleeping on back when I was homeless. Sleeping in the back of my SUV. Before I moved up here to Fairbanks, where rent was more affordable. I don't really use this as a storage space. I just use this as sleeping quarters on the weekends. On the work days. I hope my phone doesn't fall off. Yeah, this climb is really sketchy to do early in the morning. I've got to vacuum up this floor. Again, pardon the mess. I really wasn't planning on making another video tonight. What I'll usually do is I'll sleep on my love seat and just use this as a nightstand, keep my phone by my side for my alarms, use my tablet as a secondary alarm. Again, I apologize for the mess. I really wasn't planning on making another first person video, because that way if I wake up like 10 minutes before I have to be at work, I'm just gonna get up, put on all my gear, and I'm sorry, Tony is tired and words is hard. I'm just gonna get up, put on my gear, get my keys, put on my gloves, put on my badge. Oh dear, where is my badge? Oh, here it is. Put on my badge, grab my headphones, grab my work phone, get out, start my car, and go suffer for another 10 hours. Yeah, besides from that, There's the tour of my cabin. Not sure what else to tell you.